myself Ranveer and she's my wife Aarti. We got our the interior completed from Glamwoods, and our experience with Glamwoods, especially Shweta, our designer, and Shahid, the project manager who executed everything here on ground. Our designer Shweta understood everything, and Shahid, he executed everything very well, and the communication with us through many means like WhatsApp messages and the calls. The another factor was the trust, because we trusted them. We did not put the project on hold, and when we came back, we were happy to see the progress done by Shahid. And during the execution of the project, we made a special request to Shahid for our common vanity area. It was done very well, and the placement of the cabinets below that, it was wonderful. Without a doubt, we would recommend Glamwoods to whoever is want to get their interior done. So when it comes to quality, I think the quality has been the superb. After seeing the final outcome, we feel proud and grateful that our project was in right hands.